What every man is secretly obsessed with. Something he craves for more than love, something he craves for more than money, and even something he craves for more than sex. One secret obsession holds key to winning man's love, attention, and total devotion for life. Not one woman in a thousand ever know it exists. Those do almost never share it with another soul. Myself, Tekiri, and I have over 12 years of relationship coach experience, especially for women. I have witnessed this secret male obsession to be a key to a man's heart. You will be able to know how to make a man feel a burning desire for you that you will literally become the most important person in his life. Even he is completely ignoring your phone calls and texts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get my free PDF by providing your email ID to the email box below. Thank you. See you there.